Out of the closet, it's raining today. I've got my umbrella. I would rate it stellar. It goes with me through rain or sun or sandstorm. I could never give you up, no matter how sunny it was. Rain here is not just for a day, not for a week, not for a month, but forever. Umbrella, 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 my Brolly, Brolly, Brolly. Umbrella, my Brolly, Brolly, Brolly. I'm all the roger, Martin, think about it. Skip it up, but I don't love mine. He does not love his. It will not open. I used to shield myself from the rain until my umbrella gave out on me again. Now every day and every night is the same, and my dreams are wet. My umbrella no longer functions as it once used to, and I get quite soggy sometimes. I think that I might die. Sometimes I think I might get a bit wet. And I quite like umbrellas. But what's this?
love you too. And I'm home from the rain with my umbrella to block off the dryness.
Yeah.
Well, well, well. I see you're awake, Umbrella Man.
Who are you? What is this place? Why am I tied to a chair?
What do you think of umbrellas now, eh?
I think they're fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yes, I've spent my entire life with my umbrella, and I've had nothing better.
Oh, I don't think so, mate.
You're not my mate.
I am. I'm your best mate.
I don't believe this.
Well, you should. Mate. Look into my eyes. Remember all I told you about umbrellas and the great evil that they are.
Umbrellas are evil. Do, 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 do.
Umbrellas are very evil.
Umbrellas are very evil. Do,
Do,
do, do, do.
Yes, we're starting to get it, I think. Now, a few questions about umbrellas.
Umbrellas are evil.
And exactly
Do, 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 do.
how evil are umbrellas?
The most evil thing apart from jelly beans. Do, do,
No!
do, do.
Jelly beans are the greatest good known to man, I think you'll find. I think some more hypnotism is in order. Jelly beans are the greatest thing known to man. Umbrellas, on the other hand, are pretty
Rain,
bad.
jelly beans, rain, jelly beans. Umbrellas are worse than my legs.
You're starting to get it, I
Do,
think.
do, do, do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad would you say umbrellas are?
Where 1 is bad and 10 is bad, I'd say they were about the sum of 1 to 10.
Right. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how good would you say jelly beans are?
Jelly beans are the most wonderful thing to happen to men.
Excellent.
Do, 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 do.
Wake up.
Why am I tied here? Who? Hey, Jelly Bean Man!
Hello.
Hello.
You alright?
What's that umbrella doing there? Get it out of here! That's better.
Here are some jelly beans.
I'm ready to take over the world. Give me my anorak.
And what tools won't you be using to take over the world with?
I won't say it.
Say it.
I won't say it.
Alright.
My anorak.
Now,
I will untie myself with my anorak powers. Anorak! And with this I shall halt the rain.
I've got something to show you. I come here sometimes. It's an amazing place. Look.
I never knew a place could be so beautiful.
It is, if you believe.
Stop right there! What do you think you're doing with that umbrella? Boom, boom, boom.
I was just walking with my umbrella.
Boom, 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 boom. That's not what it did look like to me. The raincoat man. Boom, 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 boom.
My umbrella was protecting me
From what?
from the rain.
It's not raining.
It was.
Boom, 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 boom. It does not look like it was raining to me. My raincoat is not even slightly wet.
That's because your raincoat is a failure.
That doesn't make sense. The raincoat's meant to stay dry.
No, you see, the only way is the umbrella.
I'll sort this out.
No,
You umbrella communist.
you're killing it. You're killing
Of course I'm killing it. Umbrellas are toys, not boys.
did somebody mention communism?
Communism? Why, yes, I did. She is a communist.
Up with communism!
Down
Equal
with
rights for all.
communism.
Equal rights for
I have
umbrellas.
gloves.
Yes.
The iron glove of communism.
Have you seen? You must
Free
get an
ourselves from the
umbrella.
shackles of capitalist oppression. Love my
I
umbrella!
see.
I love my umbrella!
I'm actually not who I thought it
Umbrella
was.
Teresa!
I remember everything. everything now! I remember everything! It's my umbrella! And happy ending for now. Boom, bum, ba-da, boom, bum, ba-da, boom, bum, ba-da, boom, bum, ba-da.